what's up? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say happy April. You guys, time is going by so fast and I just can't believe it's April already. But anyways, for today's video, as you can probably tell from the title, I have a mini haul slash unboxing from JustFab. And just a little disclaimer, I just want to say thank you to JustFab for sponsoring this video. And if you guys would like to know what kind of pieces I got, just go and keep watching. And as always, if you are not part of the mermaid squad or the mermaid family, you should go ahead and click subscribe down below. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, anyways, let's go and get started. If you're not familiar with JustFab, it is an online subscription fashion retailer that carries handbags, jewelry, clothing, shoes, and pretty much like anything that women wear. Before I show you guys the pieces that I got, I just want to let you know how JustFab works. So you basically just go on their website, which is justfab.com, and they have the option to become a VIP member. Now, you don't have to be a VIP member, but of course with a VIP membership, it comes with perks. And one of the perks of a VIP member is having that personalized shopping experience where you get to tell like a personal stylist basically online on what kind of jewelry, clothing, shoes, and pretty much like anything you want. Also, the great thing about JustFab is that you get to shop or skip, meaning that you don't have to buy the items during that month. Like, you can actually skip it and you won't get charged. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the items I got. The first one I have is of course a bikini. You guys already know that I am a bikini connoisseur. I love bikinis. Like, if I can wear anything for the rest of my life, it would probably be bikinis. So the first one I have is this one-piece white bathing suit right here, and this is such a cute piece. First of all, I love white. White is my favorite color in the whole entire world. It has these gold rings on it, which is like a really nice touch. Also, the breast area or like the boob area is padded, so you will not nip through this. The piece itself is also like a semi-cheeky to full coverage bottom, so you're not showing a lot of skin. It kind of gives off that like vintage vibe for some reason. I don't know why, that's what I'm feeling, but I really like it. Again, JustFab did a great job on sending me a piece that I actually would wear in real life. Moving on to shoes, the first one I have is this one right here. I know it's just a box, but I just wanted to show you guys the packaging. So basically it just is JustFab. It's in this like light baby pink color, and this one is this begonia or like light begonia. If we're trying to make our life easier, this is in the color baby pink. It's a very cute and comfortable shoes, and I can definitely see myself wearing this a whole lot. Also, the color itself is almost like a neutral color that you can pair with a lot of outfits. And last but not least, I have this black chunky booty heel right here, and this is what it looks like. It's all suede. It has this brown straps going around it, and you also have this little peep toe, and I feel like this one will match a lot of things just because of all the like neutral colors happening in here. And also, I really like how it's chunky heel, so it's probably gonna be really comfortable. This is in the size 7. Very nice. I'm very excited. Alright guys, so that is basically all the items I got in this haul. I know it was a really short one, but they were really cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But if you want to take advantage of a really good deal right now, which is buy one get one free shoes, you should go ahead and click the link I have in the description box for you guys, because you're basically getting like 2 booties or like 2 heels for $39.95, which is an awesome deal. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.